You keep smiling, while your spirit quietly collapses inside.
Why does my mind never stay quiet? You're lost.
But healing begins the moment someone finally understands your
I can't hear
silence.
myself anymore. Your soul is tired, not broke.
Not every battle is physical, some wars happen inside the soul.
Chaos speaks loud, truth speaks softly.
And sometimes, peace arrives softly, like a breath you forgot you needed.
I finally feel silence. The people who heal were once consumed by chaos
The
too.
strongest people you know are usually fighting silent spiritual battles nobody sees.